In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration. This simple yet powerful process can enhance how you interact with your customers, offering a direct line of communication through one of the most popular messaging apps in the world. So, let's jump right in and get your HubSpot account connected to WhatsApp. First, you'll need to open HubSpot and make sure you are logged into your account. This is the key starting point because without proper access, you won't be able to proceed with the integration. Once you have logged in successfully, take a look at the top of your screen where you will find the Marketplace option. Go ahead and click on that. After you've opened the HubSpot Marketplace, you'll see a search bar. Here, you're going to enter WhatsApp and select the WhatsApp integration for Teams from the list that appears. This integration is designed to smoothly connect your WhatsApp communications within the HubSpot ecosystem. Now, you should see an Install button. Clicking this button will initiate the installation process for the integration. It's straightforward. As soon as you click it, you'll be prompted to choose your HubSpot account. If you have multiple accounts associated, make sure you select the correct one that you intend to use the integration with. Once you've selected the correct account, click on Choose Account. At this point, HubSpot will present you with their terms of service. It's always a good idea to quickly skim through these terms so you know exactly what you're agreeing to. Once you're ready, click on the Connect App button to move forward. When you click to connect the app, you will be prompted to sign into your Timelines account. This ties WhatsApp together with HubSpot's CRM tools effectively. Simply sign in, and you're one step closer to being fully connected. Upon signing in, navigate to the left side of your screen where you will see the WhatsApp Accounts option. Click on this and it will bring you to the section where you can connect your WhatsApp account. Here, click on Connect. Following this, a prompt will appear allowing you to generate a QR code. This is the bridge between your HubSpot account and your WhatsApp. Take your phone, open the WhatsApp app, and scan the QR code to link your device to HubSpot. Finally, under the Integration section on the left side, click on HubSpot and then Test Integration. Testing is vital to ensure everything is working as intended. If the test is successful, congratulations. You've just set up the HubSpot WhatsApp integration, positioning yourself to streamline your communications and enhance customer engagement seamlessly.